Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, what is the order of rotational symmetry of a parallelogram? We know that the order of rotational symmetry of a shape is the number of times we can rotate a shape within 360-degree rotation so that it looks the same. Here consider parallelogram A, B, C, D. Parallelogram turns into itself after a rotation on 180 degree. So if we rotate it about the center about 180 degree, it looks like this: A, B, C, D. And after second rotation, parallelogram looks like the original shape, that is B, C, D. Parallelogram turns into itself after a rotation of 180 degree. And here we can observe after two rotation it looks like the original parallelogram. Hence, order of the rotational symmetry of a parallelogram about the center is 2. That is, our answer is 2. And from available options, we have option B as number 2.